And I respect how you do business, but I have to protect my own too.
I have to protect mine as well. So I understand.
But you don't know the business I am in.
Really and truly, you know want no brother. Because I am if you do something, I complete it. So our business done.
I'm afraid it's not that simple. I get this feeling deep in my gut that you're not being completely honest with me, Chaka. And that, my friend, is not good.
Why you say that?
Because a part of my business is knowing when I am being lied to.
So yeah what? Police?
I'm afraid I'm a little more than that. Tell me something. Were you approached by a group of people who claimed they were agents?
Agents? No. Which agents?
Chaka. Yeah, stutter man. Suddenly you don't sound that confident anymore. Listen, it's very important that I know if these people made contact with you.
Hear me I say. Me no need for me no want know, me no care, me no need to know all of them information. This me I run from This.
By now, it is very obvious that something went down between the pickup and the drop off. Shaka, level with me.
Yo, this me I talk about, After me now been a police informer. You know what them do to youth? Get to youth. We are police informer.
Newsflash. You already mixed up, son.
So wait, come here. Let me ask you this. So you gonna get the laptop?
No, because I never you alone drop it off. And as far as I know, it's you alone work.
Where I talk about? If you did dead, you don't know say me alone come out of the van.
Chaka, you come out of the Voxy on the passenger side. No, unless that Voxy is left hand drive, something seriously wrong. Chaka, don't make this more difficult than it needs to be.
Alright, so here I am. You go pick up the laptop. Out of the blues, two you run up on me. You know, me not doing no chatting to nobody. So then bad me put the thing over my head. Wake up in my room. One old man. Going like say I'm a bad man. Start question. And I tell me what I got him from and I got.
So this old man where you talk about, what is his name?
And that me I tell you, the man didn't even tell me his name. The only thing him depend on the pickup of the pickup. And me I tell him say I don't know who tell him to pick it up kind of some work.
So what you're really saying is that him give you back the laptop and then send you to go drop it off.
Yeah, basically that go on.
And you just take the laptop and go drop it off at the exact spot.
So, we expect me for them. Try them go somewhere else and kill me. The man them have file for me in the boss.
Well, I guess you did what you had to do.
So, what got me now?
So what it is now is you go your way and I go mine. It's as simple as that.
So, sir, I hear that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright.
Oh, Chaka. I know you don't work for the same client twice, but I need somebody tracked.
Brother, I'm not do that, You see my thing as strictly pick up and drop off.
Maybe you could recommend someone. They wouldn't have to engage in any way All they have to do is follow the person and then report where the person goes.
Ask the traveler. Tell him say me give him number.
Nice doing business with you.
Yeah, me I call if you tell us say yo, I'm not gonna pick up the thing today, you know. Yo, tone on your voice. So it's either you make me pick it up or you make somebody else. But if I me, I tomorrow. Yeah, yes, alone I could assist still, but look come on. Yeah.